Every great home begins with one space. Today, I'm so excited to introduce something new. Welcome to H Space Room Makeover. Every month, I will personally select one room and create complete design concept, from space planning and material selection to realistic 3D. To participate, simply leave a comment below and then tell me which room you'd like to design, its size, and your preferred design style. I will personally select one project every month. If your room is selected, I will reply to your comment, and then you will send your room photos and project details by email before we begin. I can't wait to redesign your space. See you in episode 1. If you'd like to support H Space, don't forget to subscribe.